My new favorite machine, guys. It's grinding the beans, and then slides it back. Wow. So this is the benefits of having a mom that works at Dillard's, and she gets all the discounts. So right now there's a triple discount happening at Dillard's. I'm definitely gonna do that editor now. We have this very nice, very nice, very good 1 pound fish.
1 pound fish, very good. 1 pound fish, very cheap. 1 pound fish.
Coffee maker over here. Coffee maker over here. Bam. Baristina.
Wow.
Baristina.
Wow. Oh, wow.
So this is, boom, portafilter. Bam.
Oh, that's a
Wooden
good one.
handle. And look, see that extra layer of filtration? That's really good. Very nice.
Very good.
Can I get a wow?
Wow. Beautiful.
Baristina by Philips. Okay, let's go make coffee. We got some instructions over here, guys. All right, so first, boom, put the puppy in there. Then you click on what you want. When you click on what you want, over here on this side, you click. Huh? Guys, we cheated. I was just registering it, but we found it on TikTok. This thing actually slides to the side. Oh, and it just slid back. It's about to do. It's in the making. It slid back by itself.
No way.
It's about to make the coffee? I think it's about to make the coffee. It's about to do it.
Wow.
It's doing it, guys.
Look at that color. Look at that color. Look at that color. That thing is fancy.
Wow. Wow.
So you got what? You got a double espresso? You got espresso? What you got?
Wow. Go.
No Greca around here.
All right, I think it's done.
Wait, leave it. Just leave it. Just in case.
My new favorite machine, guys.
So you can do a large one, he says?
Yeah.
Alrighty, here, guys. Here we go. It's grinding the beans. Fresh beans getting grinded up, and then slides it back. Drops the coffee down. Oh yeah, wait for the drip. Wow.
That's a good espresso. You don't have to worry about doing all of that. That's how you know it's good. You see that?
That cream of the crop. Mm-hmm. You're damn right. Mm-hmm.
We just leave it, right? We leave it. Oye, ese café se ve bacano. Bien bacano.
Wow.
There's actually one with a frother. We didn't get it. We should have gotten the
Oh my God!
Nah, this is top tier coffee, guys.
It's good, right?
Look at her frothing her milk. Gee, Mom.
Wow, delicioso está. Muy bueno.
Cualquiera comienza una cafetería.
Una cafetería. Una cafetería. Está muy rico.
Sí, quedó bueno.
Muy bueno.